you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Trying to get Henry's attention. Say, "Mirror, Henry." Say, "Mirror, Henry." Go say hi, Henry. Go say hi. Go say hi to the baby. Go say hi to the baby. Say hi, baby. Hi. I'm sorry, Sebastian. He's wanting me right now. Here. Say hi. Say hi, baby. I know I can't get to the baby. There's a cage between us. What are you doing? Sebastian, what are you doing? You a bouncing? What are you talking about, huh? Blah, blah, blah. Is that it? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. Hey, are you mad at me? Huh? Sebastian, are you mad at me? You on one side of the baby gate and Doggy on the other? You patting him. Henry's special, isn't he? No, don't eat the camera, Henry. Get over here. Yeah. He's liking you. Okay, say bye-bye. Sebastian, bye-bye. That was close. Say bye-bye. Sebastian. Sebastian. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.